So you want to go into your list, which is there. So up top here, hit list of subscribers. Click on your list. That'll bring up everyone who's in that list. On the right here, you want to go to journeys. You've already got the journey set up. So just click through there. Let's name it. So now, that'll send people the book straight up. So if you want to send some stuff, like you can put a delay, like maybe wait for a day, 24 hours. Set up another email to go out to, and then these emails can start talking about the jar method. So how you do, so you step names, I don't know what you want to call it, jar method. Something like that, whatever.
Yep.
And then you want to click here to add email content.
Yep.
You just pick any of these designs here. Yep. It's got your template already if you want to use that template. And then you just plug in your content. So you can have that, whatever. I think that at the moment is going out to, oh no. Is this just an intro? Or like a...
Oh, this was just an email today to the members.
Okay, sweet.
Email a current affair and tell them I'm awesome.
Oh, really? Yeah. Fuck a current affair. Sweet, so you can jump in there and just edit that and put whatever you want in there. So that's how you do that. And always make sure to switch the journey back on.
Yeah. Doing that.
I'll get rid of that in case.
Yeah.
So you can jump in and just send out. So you just press the plus button. You have to turn it off. Press the plus button and you can do whatever.
Got it.
And then I would probably as well set up a condition. So it waits 24 hours. And you set up a condition